Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making this lovely dragonfly and it's very easy to make, so just follow along with me and you will see that you can make lots and lots of them as gifts for your friends and family. Let's begin by cutting one length of 43 centimeter 1 mm wire and curling the end. Make a pretty compact curl on the end of the wire, just one end. Make sure it's nice and neat, and then we're going to flare it on the anvil to make it nice and shiny and have some texture. Now we are going to bend wing by wing. There are 4 wings, 2 large ones and 2 smaller ones. So you begin the large wing, that's wing number 1. Take your wire across to the other side and bend wing number 2. Make sure they're equal, just eyeball it and see that they are the same size. Bend your wire to the middle. There are no joins, there are no cuts here. You're just bending wire. There it is, close up for you to see exactly how it should look at this stage. Now you're going to make the smaller wing. It's a bit shorter than the long wing. Bend it in, curve it back towards the middle, and you can take your pliers and just adjust the curve of the wire. Be gentle with it, you don't have to manhandle this too much. Bend your wire into the middle. Don't worry about the wires all separating at this stage. We are going to solve that problem at the end of the wire wrapping. So now you have 4 wings, and you can see how easy it is. You were just winding backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. Now you're going to find the center of the dragonfly body and make a sharp angle with the tail. The tail wire becomes the tail of the dragonfly. I just love dragonflies and I feel happy when I see them flitting around in my garden, don't you? Now, to help us with the tail, I'm using a knitting needle and I'm going to make a very loose spring. It's not too important really, it's just to have something with a little bit of a curl and just to look a bit curly and springy. Curl it around and then take your knitting needle out, and then we're going to flatten the spring. Adjust those wires. You'll have to just see how long it is and perhaps trim that tail back a bit, and then finish it off so it's not scratchy. And now what we're going to do is just hammer that spring a little bit flat so it all lies in one direction. It doesn't really matter here. You can just do a little bendy tail or a little loop with a twist. It's up to you as well. Now we're going to cut a length of 0.3 millimeter wire, about 35 centimeters will do it, and start wrapping that whole body together. So you see you didn't have to worry about it all coming apart. Wrap that copper wire around the body on the one side of the head and make sure there are no little snaggy bits. Compress it, tidy it up. Now we're going to put one pretty little iridescent turquoisey purple bead onto the wire and wrap it on top of the body. So there it goes in the middle, just below the head. And now you're going to wrap the other side to also balance the design and to hold it all together. Finish off all the little wires neatly so that there are no little scratchy bits. And then what we're going to do is just put a jump ring into the head of the dragonfly and put it on a cord. So easy peasy. Thank you so much for watching. Please take great care of yourselves. You are very special. Bye-bye.